Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. My name is Blessing Irabo. If you are here to follow our channel, kindly follow, subscribe, like and comment for more exciting tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to read a tape measure. This is a tape measure. We'll be looking at how to read it. So what I have here is a typical example of a tape measure. So you can just cross check with your tape measure, and what I have drawn here is this line already has a figure which is 0. So starting from this one, I want us to count it together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is to say from 1 inches to another inches, there are 8 stroke in between. So let's count from 1 now. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from 1 inch to another, we have 8. So the first thing is I want to know the value of the first one. The value of this one has been known because we have it at 0 already. So how do I know the value of the first one? Since we have 8 stroke already, and this is one of it. So what I'll just do is to write 1. Can you see what I'm doing here? 1 over 8. What I have to do is just to write 1 over 8. And this 1 over 8, just divide it. Divide 1 over 8. 1 divided by 8. We have 0.125. 0.125. This is to tell you that the value of this first one is 0.125. So I'll be writing it here. I'll write it like this. 0.125. This is what I have here. Or 1 over 8. You either refer to it as 1 over 8 or 0.125. So having done that, we move to the second one. This is the second one. Now we'll now write 2. That's the second one. So the value will be 2 over all the strokes we have, which is 8. 2 over 8. So I'm sure you are seeing my calculation. So this is 2 over 8. And now let's divide 2 over 8. So 2 in 2 is 1. 2 here is 4. That is 1 over 4. So the value of 1 over 4, if I want to know the value of 1 over 4 in decimal, 1 over 4 in decimal is 0.25. So you can check it on your phone, using your calculator. So 1 over 4 is also the same thing as 0.25. That shows this second stroke is 0.25. 0.25. I want you to just take note of it as we are going. 0.25, which is also the same thing as quarter. Also, is either you do it at 0.125 or 1 over 4, which is quarter of an inch. So the next one is the third one, which is this one, and I will have it at 3 over 8. So to get it in decimal, just type it on your calculator, 3 divided by 8, and we have 0.375. We have 0.375. That is what we have. So here, this third one is 0.375. And this is how you go on and on. You divide the value of that stroke by what we have, by which is 8, what we have in all, which is 8. So this is 0.375, which is the third stroke on the tape measure. So the next one is this, which is 4. So we have it as 4 over 8, which is equal to 2 can go in 4. That is 2. 2 in 8 is 4. So we can still do it again. How many two can we have here is 1. How many 2 here is 2. So this is also equal to 0.5. This is 1 over 2. And if you want to get the value of 1 over 2, just type on your calculator 1 divided by 2 gives you 0.5. So that means this one is 0.5. This tick here is 0.5. The first one, we divide it as 1 divided by 8. Just you can type it directly on your calculator, which is 0.125. The second one, which is the second stroke, and the value that shows the that means the value is 2. We divided it by 8. 2 divided by 8 is 0.25 or 1 over 4, which is also the same thing as quarter of an inch. The next one is the third stroke, and we the value is 3 because it's a third stroke. So automatically the value will be 3. And we do it as 3 divided by 8, and 3 divided by 8 gives us 0.375. The next one is the fourth stroke. So we have it as 4 divided by 8, which is also equal to 1 over 2. And we have it as 0.5. If you type it on your calculator, 1 over 2 is the same thing as 0.5, which is half of an inch. 0.5 or 1 over 2, which is half of an inch. So the next one is this. So the value of it will now be 5. This is 1. Let me write it here. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is the 8th one. So we are moving to the 5th one now. The value will be 5 over 8. So we are moving to the 5th one. So the value is 5 over 8. So you can just type 5 over 8 on your calculator. 5 divided by 8 using your calculator is 0.625. So the value of this fifth stroke is 0.625. So you do it on and on. Go to the 6th stroke. So the value of the 6th stroke now is 6 over 8. So you can just calculate it. Let's divide this. 2 divided by 6 is 3. 2 divided by 8 is 4. So let's divide it now. You can do it directly. 6 divided by 8 is 0.75. So it's 0.75. So that shows the value of this sixth stroke is 0.75. 0.75, which is also the same thing as 3/4 of an inch. 3/4 of an inch. So let's move to the 7th one, which is 7 over 8. So 7 over 8, just type it on your calculator. Find the value using your calculator. We have it as 0.875. 0.875. That is the 7th stroke because we divided the 7th stroke by the total value of what we have there. 7 over 8 is equal to 0.875. So have it as 0.875 here. So, and this is the last one, which is 1. You can also find the value, which will be 8. That's the 8th stroke. That will be 8 over 8, which is, so if you getting this value on your calculator, 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. And that is why we have 1 here. That is why we have 1 here. So the value of this last one is 1, and it is usually on your tape measure. It's always written there boldly. That is when we have the 1 inch. So now these are other ones you can get it using this value. So if this is 1, that shows this one will be 1.125. 1.125. So if this is 1, this next one, which is 0.125, just add it to your 1 inch. That would be 1.125. So the next one, which is this, add it. This value, this stick is 0.25. Add the values to what we have here. This is 1.25. So you can just go on and on and on. So let me just come here. This is 3 inches. So what's the value of this one? This one, the second stick after 3, or the second stroke after 3. So this is 3.25. We have this as 3.25. This is 3.25. We can also come here. This is 4, and we find the value of this. This is 4.125. This is 4.25. This is 4.375. This is 4.5. This is 4.625. This is 4.75. This is 4.875. And this is 5. So let's have it here too. Let's do another one here lastly, which is on 2. So this is 2. This is 2.125. This is 2.25. This is 2.375. This is 2.5. This is 2.625. This is 2.75. This is 2.875. And this is 3. So that is all we have. That's all about reading your tape measure. If you've learned a lot from this tutorial, kindly like, share, comment, and share to your friends. See you in my next tutorial.